Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ganesh Coaching of Education. Today we'll start about circle. Okay, I'll tell about some basic points about the circles and some tricks. That means direct formula, which we can find also the first principle. But by using direct formula, we will solve the objective questions means in less time, right? Okay, in circle, as you know, from the point center, all of the distance to the periphery are equal, right? From the center to the periphery, all of the distance are equal. Okay, every distance from the center to the periphery are equal. Okay, and from one circumference to the another circumference, when you draw a line and with the line which passes through the center, this is called diameter. Means the point A and point B which passes through the center is diameter. AB is equal to diameter, right? From the center to the periphery, this is called radius, like the point O. This is B. This is equal to radius, right? And circumference means the perimeter is 2 pi r and the diameter is 2r, because AB is equal to twice of OB. So D is equal to 2r, right? So when you take a ratio with perimeter divided by diameter, this will come pi. In every circle, when you take a ratio between perimeter and diameter, that the ratio will come a term called pi. This is fixed for every circle. Okay. Then you go to some basic formula of a circle. There is just some generalized simplest equation when the center is A and B and radius is R. Okay, then the equation is x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. This is the simplest equation of a circle. This is a circle. When the point center is AB and radius is r, you can easily find the, when they given the point AB and radius here, we can easily find the equation of the circle. When the center is at origin, like origin generally denoted 0, 0. Okay, when the center at origin means 0, 0 point, then the circle is and the radius is of course r, then the equation of the circle is this one. Okay, this is the equation of circle. This is a general form, and this is a when the center is at origin, right? another generalized equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the another generalized equation of the circle. Okay, another form of circle. In the center is at a minus g and minus f, and radius g square plus f square plus c. Okay, sorry, this is minus c root over. Okay, when this type of equation given in the questions, right, some of the equation written in the x term, y term and x square y square term, and then some constant is given, then they may ask you find the center of the circle and what is the radius of the circle. Okay, you can easily find, like some equation is given, 5x square 6y square not y plus 2 into 5x plus 2 into 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. What is value of a? A is equal to 5, b is also 5. What is g? G is 5. And what is f? F is 7. What is c? C is 8. Okay, when this is given, we can easily just what is the value of center? Center is minus g and minus f, that is equal to minus 5 minus 7. Okay, and what is the radius? Radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c root over. You can easily find from this the value of center and radius. Okay, and x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? And what is the radius? As we know, g square plus f square minus c root over. Okay, there is 3 conditions are given. Is the circle is real circle, or this is a single point, or this is an imaginary circle. Okay, when g square, condition 1 means like case 1 is when g square f square minus c greater than 0. Okay, the circle is real, a real circle, and circle is possible. Okay, okay, in case 2, when g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, that means that when you put here g square plus f square is equal to 0, then what is r become? R became 0. R became 0 generally means that this is a circle, this is the radius. When you decrease the radius, like this is 5 unit, this is 4 unit, this is 3, 2, 1 and 0, this is a single point. So when you decrease, when g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, the circle is a single point. This is a single point circle. Okay, okay, in case 3, what does it mean? That when g square plus f square minus c, this is less than 0, this is the less than 0 means, what it mean? That less than this minus 2, minus 3 something, when minus 2 root over of any negative number, this is a complex number, so this circle is imaginary. This circle is, in real case, this circle is not possible, but imaginary case it can be possible. Okay. Maybe they asked about the questions that they giving some equations and they asked to find is the circle is real or a single point or imaginary or something. You have to find from that using just find g square f square minus c, and if the value is greater than 1 or 0 or less than 0, by seeing that you can find what is the is this real or imaginary or a single point. Another thing is there, like this is a circle. Okay, this is the center. When you join 2 points, like this point is point P and this is point Q. The point P is x1 y1, point Q is x2 y2, right? And they asked to find the equation of the circle when the 2 points of the diameter is given. Okay, then what is the equation of the circle? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 plus y minus y2, that will comes to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the circle when 2 points of the diameter is given. They may ask what is the center when 2 points of the diameter given. This center, the center C, is the midpoint between P and Q, right? Then what is the center? Center is x1 x2 by 2 and y1 y2 by 2, that is two points of the centers. Okay, means 2 coordinates of the center. Okay, this is another concept. Another thing is there, equation of circle when 3 non-collinear points are given. Like non-collinear means collinear is the 3 points generally in a straight line. Okay, non-collinear points means like this is a circle. Okay, maybe one point is P here, one point Q here, one point R here, right? This is the circle. Like some point is x1 y1, some point is x2 y2, and some point is x3 y3. Find the equation of the circle when 3 non-collinear points are given. Then just find the determinant x square plus y square, x y1 x1 square plus y1 square, x1 y1 1, x2 square plus y2 square, x2 y2 1, and x3 square plus y3 square, x3 y3 1. This is the, just find the determinant. This is equal to 0, and just find the determinant equal to 0. You can find the equation of a circle when the circle, when 3 non-coordinate points are given. Okay. Like I told in the previous class, the pair of straight line, there is some general equation is given, x square by square 2gxy and 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the generalized equation of the pair of straight line, and this equation represents a circle when coefficient a is equal to b and 2a is equal to 0. This is a condition when this equation represents a circle, right? And how can you know that? Just put a and b, a is equal to b and 2a is equal to 0. That means that a is equal to 0. Then the equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Previously I told that this is the equation of the circle. Just put a is equal to b when they given that this is the equation and they asked to find is this the equation of circle or not. Then how can you find that? You can find that when just you just see if a is equal to b and a term is 0, then this is the equation of the circle. Okay, and then I'm giving some 3-4 generalized equations on that generalized condition of circle. Like this is xy plane. When circle touches both the axes, when circle touches both the axes and the point is AA, because this is the same distance, this is also the same distance, and the radius is also A, then what is the equation of the circle? X minus a square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. This is the equation of the circle. Okay, when circle touches both the coordinates and center is at AA and radius is A, then what is the equation of the circle? Another condition is there. When circle touches x-axis and the center is at alpha A, when center is at alpha A, that means that this distance is alpha and this distance is A, right? That means that this is the radius, A is radius. Now what is the equation of the circle? X minus alpha square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. This is the equation of the circle. And like condition 3, when it touches the y-axis and the point is alpha A and beta, right? Beta A means what? This is A, this is x coordinate A, and B means this once from 0. Let this is the Cartesian constant. This is 0 0. Then B, what do you mean by B? B means this is the beta unit distance from 0 0 to this. And what is A? This is the x unit distance from 0 0 to A, and this is A, and this is beta. Then what is the radius? The radius is A. Then what is the equation of the circle? X minus a square plus y minus beta square, that is equal to a square. Okay, and another condition is there. This is the last condition. When the circle passes through center, means not center, the coordinate 0 0 point, this is like this, the equation is like this, and the center is alpha by 2 and beta by 2. Then what is the equation of circle? Then equation of circle, x square y square minus alpha a minus not alpha a, alpha x minus beta y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the 4 condition of the circle. First one is circle touches both the axis, okay, AA, and the center is at AA and radius is A. The second is circle is touches the x-axis, and third is circle touches the y-axis, and the fourth is circle passes through the coordinates 0 0, means the is a Cartesian coordinates. This is 0 0, and the center is at alpha by 2 and beta by 2, and for this is the x square minus y square minus alpha x minus beta is equal to 0. This is the equations. Another concept is there, intercept made by a circle. Like this is this coordinates axis, and as the circle like this is circle. This quotes the x, like this is x and this is y. As this circle quotes the axis at the point A and B, and the center is at minus G minus Z. Then what is the value when it quotes AB? Okay, what is the value? How can you find the value of AB? If the same condition, if the circle quote both the axis like this, okay, the center is at minus G and minus F, and this is A and B, and this is C, and this got both the axes, like in x-axis as well as y-axis. Then what is the intercept AB? As the center is at minus G minus F, and radius is equal to G square plus F square minus C root over. Then what is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. And the intercept, like the intercept AB, the intercept AB is equal to 2 root over of g square minus c, at intercept CD is 2 root over of f square minus c, right? This is the formula, okay. May they give the equation of the circle, like something they give x square plus y square plus 10x plus 20y plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, they asked to find that what is the intercept when with x-axis, and what is the intercept with y-axis. So means the value, the magnitude of AB and magnitude of CD. Another concept is there, like the circle, okay. The circle, the center is minus G minus F, and the radius is G square plus F square minus C is equal to 0. They give us some point P, x1 y1, and the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and they asked to find that is the point lies on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. Okay, then how can you find that? Let take this is s is equal to something, okay, means this equation, and when you put this equation on this, means x1 y1 coordinates on xy coordinates on S equation, then this convert to S1, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay, this is the equation. This, when you put this x1 y1 value on this equation, if the S1 is greater than 0, then this point lies outside the circle. When S1 is equal to 0, this point is on the circle. When S1 less than 0, this point is inside the circle. Okay, if S1 is greater than 0, then this is outside the circle. This point here, maybe here, outside the circle. If the S1 is equal to 0, the point is on the circle. If the S1 less than 0, the point lies inside the circle. Okay. Another thing is there. Intersection of line and a circle. That means that this is a circle and this is a line. Intersection of line and a circle, and the question comes like that: is the line intersect? Means this line, the given line, and the given a circle of the equation. They used to find that is this line is on the circle, or means it intersect to circle, or on the circle, or is outside the circle. Okay, how can you find that? This is the circle, and for equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle, and the point center minus the minus f. Okay, and this is the perpendicular distance, like d1 on this to this line. Okay, if d1 is less than a, what do you mean by a? A is the radius of the circle. If d1 is less than a, what do you mean, like the radius is a is 5 and d1 is 3. That means that this line cuts the circle inside. Okay, if the radius a is 5 and d1 is equal to 5, then this line is just touches the periphery of the circle, and if d1 is greater than the radius, the line is beyond the, do not touches the circle, it is beyond the circle. Okay, thank you.